Hi, my name is Gellis, and this is Infinite Modesty Design. We are a Toronto sewing and fashion studio, and of course, we teach you how to sew, both in studio and online. Of course, if you are new here, kindly click the link in the description below and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos like this one. So stay tuned. Okay, so how do you get your curved seam now to relax? Really relax. So this is what you do. So this is your half inch stitch here. You would take your scissors and you would nip the corners. Now you could do two ways. You could go this way. Let me just do it here. This way and this way. Just to kind of take it out. You come this way. All right, you could go ahead and do it this way to kind of have it a little nice way, or you could do, see, well, you could come like this way and you just take out this way. Some people have all different styles to do it, right? But you know what, guys, we're just gonna do the easier way. I'm gonna show you guys the easier way to do it. Right, kind of like something like that, or we could just do it just like this, which is the way I teach my students to do it as well. So you could actually just go maybe half an inch apart. Depends on the fabric. You could go 1 inch apart, right? But the goal is that you just want to take your time. So when you do it like this, you just want to don't go to the thread part, right? So that's how you finish your curved seam. And then you could relax nicely, all right? Instead of being stiff. So I would say do it this way. And don't go down to the thread, because if you go down to the thread, you spoil, and you would have to do another seam to cover that up and all that. And some people, if you are a beginner, you wouldn't know what to do. You may think, oh, I spoiled it. So just take your time, right? Right? And that's how you make sure that your neckline, once you're done the curve seam, is nice and relaxed. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Maybe you won't do this way. It doesn't even look pretty, even though you're going to be underneath. No one would see it. I think I would rather go with just this way. All right, this is Gellis at Infinite Modesty Design.